What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mr. Snake from the bad guys. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center of our page with a curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start all the way over on the left. We're going to bend this up in the middle, go across, and then down. Now on either side we're going to draw two small black dots for the nostrils. Let's go to the center and draw a small line going up to split the brow. Now over on the left side we're going to draw in the eye. We're going to go up, round up the outside and just pull that in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, come all the way around and then back in. On the inside of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for the pupils. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to layer the eyebrows on top of the eyes. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Bend the eyebrow going out and then down towards the side of the head. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up higher in the middle. Bend this in and then down. Then we'll go back and fill the eyebrows in black. Now I want to leave a small gap above the tip of each eyebrow and add a wave. Starting on the left, come across and in, come down, and then up on the right. Let's go back to the tip of the eyebrows, bend the head coming in and up underneath the hat. Now I'm going to bend the hat brim coming in and then up towards the inside. Round up the inside of the hat. Now from the ends, we're going to angle the hat going up and then in towards the top. Let's round up the top of the hat. And then along the bottom we'll add one more curve for the band. Now we're going to go back and draw in the mouth. Let's start right in the middle, start with a point, curve the mouth coming down and then up toward the left and the right side. Let's go back to the left side and add another curve, going out and then up. And then on the ends we'll add a small bracket. Now I'm going to add the tongue from the center of the mouth, starting on the left, then it's out, down and then up. Now we want to add 2 points along the end of the tongue. So add that 1 point, go out. I'm just going to taper the tongue so it's narrower as I come back in underneath the mouth. On either side of the tongue, I add 2 teeth, one on the left and one on the right. Let's go back to the base of the eyebrows and draw in the cheeks. We're going to start on the left, then it's down and out. And I want to round out the cheek and just pull that in underneath the mouth on both sides. Let's go back to the left side, curve the chin, going in and down, go in behind the tongue, continue on the right, going up, and then blend that out. Now we want to add that trim around the eyes and the muzzle. Let's start on the left side of the head, curve this around the eye, and then pull that in. Let's go to the top of the muzzle, starting on the left, bend this across, down the middle, and then up and out towards the right. Now with the head complete, let's draw on the neck. We're going to start underneath the chin on the right, bend this out and then down. Let's bend the neck back over towards the left and then come down towards the collar. Let's draw the outside of the neck. We're going to step up. I just want to taper the neck so it gets wider as we come down towards the bottom. Round this out and then come down towards the right side of the collar. Now from the ends, we're going to bend the collar, coming down and bending that in towards the center. Let's add a trim on the right side of the neck, starting up here, going around, just following that same curve, going across and then back down. And we're going to add some texture along that front side. Let's start on the left, then this up and then down. And we're just going to continue these curves going up towards the top of the neck. Let's add in the collar. From the center, curve this out and then up. Bend this down and then out towards the side. I want to bend this up and then in towards the side of the neck. Let's line up the side of the body underneath the collar. It's going to angle the shirt, coming down and out on both sides. Curve this down and then in, leaving a gap in the center. Let's pull this up with a straight line towards the middle of the body. And then we'll connect this point to the bottom with a straight line. Let's add 2 black buttons on the right side of that center line. Let's add a simple floral pattern inside the shirt. We're going to start from the top. It's going to add these little curves going all the way around. come down towards the bottom and add a couple on the right side. Now over on the right side of the body, we want to add some folds. We're going to go out and then down, step up, add another fold, going up and down. And then from the side, just going to bend this out and then up. Now I want to go all the way over towards the left side of the body. I'm just going to curve this around towards the bottom. I'm just going to round this out, going up on the right side. And then we're going to bend the body back in towards the side of the body on the right. All the way around that fold, then across. Now I'm going to line this up over on the left side, bend this out and then down, step up, go all the way around, and then tuck that in. Now I'm going to follow the top curve of the body over on the right side, bend this across, and then up. Now I want to bend the tail along this line. So we're going to step back, go in, go out. Just want to add a curl on the end, and just bring that down. Now from the end of the tail, we're just going to widen out the body as you come back in. Let's continue this trim underneath, coming down, and just blend that out towards the end. Now I'm just going to add a couple more stripes across the bottom. Let's add a curved pattern along the top of the body, starting up here, bend this in, and then back up, leave a gap, just curve this in behind the body. Now over on the left side, we're just going to follow this curve coming down and then back up. We're going to continue to add those curves coming down in behind, then up, and then over on the right side, add these curves coming around, and just continue going up towards the tip of the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. Snake from the bad guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.